Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you guys an update on my Valentine mini album that I made for Rosa Kelly's Valentine / Love mini album swap that she has going on right now. So my cover and spine and everything is super clean and simple, guys. I just love this paper, and I shared this paper with you guys in a haul from was it Hobby Lobby, I believe. And then I did share this wood piece from a recent haul from Hobby Lobby. I got this seam binding from a Etsy shop, and this is how it came. And it's by Bluebird Lane on Etsy. So I got the Valentine colors. So I just used that as a closure. And so I thought about putting 2021 on the spine, but I'm just going to leave that open for whoever the recipient is. And then also the back. I just love the paper. I did add some stitching with my gold metallic thread. So I already did a walkthrough of what the inside looks like. I didn't really add anything else because after thinking about it, it is already pretty heavy, and I want this book to hold up for as long as it'll hold up. It'll make a really pretty keepsake for somebody. So I'm just going to do one last flip through to show you guys. So the inside cover I made like this. I have it cut apart in a tuck spot right here. And this flap flips open for a large area for pictures there. And then page 1 starts. I put this cute little pocket that actually opens up to reveal 2 photo spots. And this is also a photo spot, photo mat. This opens up like this, and there's another photo spot, large area here, another photo spot, large area, and it opens up to a wide area. Each page has the pull-out insert because they're all pocket pages. This side is a pocket page with small flaps, some cut aparts that I made as photo mats. These open up like this. More photo mats here from cut aparts with the collection. And this is the Cupid and Company collection. I'm sure y'all probably know that by now because this is a popular collection right now. This side I put a floating photo mat, and it's held together or held to the page by magnets. Just another spot for photos. This is a gatefold page that opens up and reveals another large area with a pocket. I put a little photo booklet / journaling area right here. And you can also journal on these sides or add photos, and they're all magnetic. And again, each page has the pull-out insert. So this is a side pocket. I put a photo mat booklet in there. This also flips up to reveal another spot for photo. Here's a spot for photo. This flips out for more photo space, like so. So it closes. This is just a simple pocket page. Another photo mat here. Here is a belly band waterfall. So the waterfall is like this. I just matted all the little waterfall spots with paper from the collection. I added some stitching throughout this mini album. 2 more little booklets that you can add some journaling and some photos. Just really cute. That just tucks right behind there. That closes up. Right here is like an accordion fold area. This opens up this way to reveal 2 photos, and then this way to reveal 4 photos like that, and it just closes, and a ribbon closure for that one. And I didn't add any, like I was going to add some chipboard pieces that I cut out from the paper collection, because y'all know I'm working with the digital collection, but I'm just afraid to add too much more. I want it to be able to close, and I want it to be able to actually hold the photos. Okay, so this flips over, and this page opens up like this and down like this, just more spots for photos there. Okay, and then the last inside page, the inside cover of the back, is just a pocket page that I added a little clear acetate window on. I added that pretty trim, and these are just cut aparts from the collection that I made into photo mats. Okay, and then using just the plain red crinkle seam binding as a closure. So that is how I am completing this album. I went back and forth about this for a while, and then I decided against adding much more. I just like the simplicity of the cover and the stitching. So this is my entry for Rosa Kelly's swap. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, click the link below to subscribe. Feel free to leave comments below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.